We're so excited that you want to check out what a Beachbody coach is and how you can join our team. Our team is full of a whole lot of heart and a whole lot of hustle. And although we come from all different kinds of backgrounds, we have the common goal of making the world a healthier and happier place. In fact, our mission is to help others achieve their goals and lead healthy and fulfilling lives. But how do we do that? The first way we do that is we lead by example. So we simply practice what we preach, and our consistency and results with our own proven programs and products is what inspires others to get started. So what proven programs and products are we talking about? We're talking about Beachbody. Beachbody is a global leader in health and fitness, and that's who we partner with as coaches. If you haven't heard of Beachbody, maybe you've heard about like P90X, Insanity, and some of our other amazing programs. Back when P90X was released, there were a lot of people getting amazing results and sharing those results online. These people were also supporting and motivating each other along the way. The success stories were pouring in, and Beachbody started looking at their future. When CEO Carl Daikeler and President John Cogden started examining the success, they realized a huge part of that was from satisfied customers who were sharing their results and their experiences with others. This natural sharing of the programs and products and their love for Beachbody led them to develop a compensation plan where these coaches would start earning income from doing what they were already doing, and that was the start of the Team Beachbody coaching opportunity. So as coaches, we use these amazing programs and products, and we recommend the best ones for others. We have Beachbody On Demand, which is pretty much the Netflix of fitness. Not only do you get access to our amazing fitness programs that are developed by the top fitness experts in the world, but they also come with individualized meal plans for every single program. With Beachbody, we focus on nutrition just as much as the fitness. Shakeology is hands down the best nutritional shake out there. We have so many other amazing nutritional supplements, and we're constantly creating new ones, including the Performance line, which is even a sponsor of the Ironman. And one of our most recent programs that focuses totally on nutrition and your mindset around food, and it's created by a registered dietitian nutritionist. And we can't forget about our deliciously addicting new beach bars. So the next thing we do as coaches is we just authentically share our journey. We simply share our experiences with our amazing programs and products, which inspires others to start. We share with our friends and family and on social media. And do not let that social media part scare you. We will teach you in our training all about how to share your journey. Now we want you to think progress, not perfection. We are not perfect as coaches. We're all just real people who have the same struggles as everyone else. But we lead by example, and we show other people how they can get it done too. We push play and we show up for ourselves. And you do not need to be at your own health and fitness goal to start helping others and sharing your journey. We're just passionate, everyday people who love helping others. And through the consistent sharing of your journey, that's going to inspire people to come to you and ask you what you've been up to, and they're interested in joining. And once they decide to join, we just help pick out the best program for them and their goals, and then we just support them on their journey. So how exactly do we support them online? One way is through our online private challenge groups. These are judgment-free accountability groups where we do daily check-ins, share tips, struggles, recipes, and more to help each other out. As a brand new coach, you can join our groups and add your people to those groups. So why should you join our team and partner with Beachbody? Number one, as coaches, there's no creating meal plans or workout plans. They're already created by the experts. We just align people with the right ones for them. And they're proven to work, so all the work is done for you. Beachbody prides itself in delivering results, and that happens because of rigorous testing and making sure that they're constantly innovating. And I love that they have something for everyone. And number two, no inventory. They handle everything for us, the shipping, the customer service. There's no big buy-ins as a coach, and there's zero sales requirements for you to remain a coach and get commissions. Customers just order through our websites that are given to us from Beachbody. Number three, they are constantly training and supporting us along our business and health and fitness journeys. They host daily trainings as well as weekly calls and even events and workshops. Number four, rewards and recognition that they give us. We have monthly rewards as well as earned vacations for 2, earned leadership trips, and recognition. And these rewards and recognition are earned by helping people and helping your team be successful. And our team's favorite reward, the trips that you can earn. And it's not just for you, it's for your spouse or a guest as well. Our team had so much fun in Mexico this year. and we would love to see you on a future trip with us. And we know you're thinking, okay, all that's great, but how do we actually earn an income? First, we earn a 25 to 40% commissions. We earn 40% commissions on memberships. For example, the Beachbody On Demand annual membership, you'd earn $40. And we earn up to 36% on challenge packs. A challenge pack is one of our memberships or one of our programs plus Shakeology or our Performance Stack, which is our post-workout recovery shake plus our pre-workout Energize. Not only are these a total package for the best results, but when bundled together, they're heavily discounted, so it's the best deal for our customers. So with a Beachbody On Demand challenge pack, you earn $50 to $60. And we have all different options for challenge packs, even a mega challenge pack where your customer is going to get everything they need. And for example, since this is our next big program coming out, a Lift 4 Mega Challenge Pack, they save a ton of money and get everything they need for the best results, and you earn $150. Another way we earn is through residual income. This is when our customers continue their monthly orders of our products. For example, each month that your customer continues their Shakeology order, you get $32 in commissions. Customer continues their Performance Stack, $30 a month. Their delicious beach bars, $30 a month. So imagine if you had 3 people who are ordering monthly, yours is paid for. And here's the real magic of residual income. Let's say you helped 3 people get started with a standard Lift 4 challenge pack, which includes Shakeology. You earned $60 commissions on each one of those, so you earn $120 in your first month. In month 2, you help another 3 people, and those customers from month 1 continue their Shakeology order. You would now earn $217. Month 3, you help another 3 new people, plus your month 1 and month 2 customers continue their Shakeology. You would now earn $314 in commissions on your 3rd month. I'm sure you get the idea now how that can add up. And on top of that, we also get residuals every year on the Beachbody On Demand membership. So if you had 3 people renew their memberships in 1 month, that's $120 in commission. And as you decide to grow your team, because you can only help so many people, and as you add coaches to your team, you tap into amazing bonus opportunities. One of our first ones is a $100 Fast Start bonus. If you sign up 5 new coaches within a 5-week period on your team with a challenge pack or a Shakeology home direct order, you earn $100. And this is really where the magic happens. As you continue to grow your team, you earn what we call a team cycle bonus. This is a little more complicated to explain, so if you want to learn more, ask your coach. But the most important part to know about it is you earn from the productivity of your team. The next way you can earn is through matching bonuses. So if there are coaches on your team who are earning a team cycle bonus, you get 5 to 10% of that. And on top of all that, you can earn quarterly bonuses as you advance your business. And we can't forget that you get a 25% discount on anything you order from Team Beachbody. This is your business that you get to build however you want. Because it's all online, it's flexible hours. You also get to decide if you want to work towards a part-time income or a full-time income. And your goals can change at any time, so don't ever discount the fact that you could make this a full-time income. Many of the full-time coaches on our team never intended to leave their full-time careers, but goals and circumstances change. When you start to reap the benefits of this amazing business, as well as get the pure satisfaction of helping other people and getting those messages of "you changed my life," it's really hard to not want to do this every second of every day, especially once you realize there's no ceiling on your income potential and you get the freedom to work the hours you want to wherever you want to. And as a coach in our community, you're surrounded by amazing, like-minded, and positive people, and they lift you up and push you to be your best self. Being surrounded by these people is one of the best forms of accountability to your own health and fitness goals. So if you made it this far, we know you're ready to get started on our team. First things first, remember, we're always working on you first. So we will ask you some questions and help you choose the right program for you. We'll also recommend the best nutritional products for you and your goals right now as well. And then we'll bundle those together in what we call a challenge pack for you to get the best deal. That's all you have to invest into building a business of your dreams. And get this, your coach sign-up fee is waived when you buy a package. Your only initial investment into this business is an investment into yourself. These are programs and products you're going to use to better your health. And just like all of our products, the coaching opportunity itself is also zero risk. There's nothing to lose. When you sign up as a coach with a challenge pack, your coaching sign-up fee is waived. And if after 30 days you're not impressed with the challenge pack, then you can return it. No questions asked. Even if you finished a whole bag of Shakeology, we will take it back empty because we stand behind our products. After your first month, your only requirement is a $15.95 business service fee, and it covers our websites that they give to us to send our customers to order, as well as our Coach Online office to help us run our business. It also covers our 24/7 customer service, as well as the inventory and order fulfillment, because remember, we don't have to stock up on a bunch of inventory. Our customers just order through our website and it's sent directly to them. It also goes towards our support and trainings that are so valuable. And if you or your spouse are active military or veterans, your fee is waived per month as a thank you for serving our country. You can cancel at any time. We don't have any long-term commitments or anything like that. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to either continue or start your journey. And while you're doing that, you'll start our new coach training that teaches you everything you need to know as a new coach. And then the last thing is you're just going to start sharing your journey and invite others, which you'll learn more about in the training. We truly hope that this looks like a great fit for you, and we can't wait for you to join our team. Please reach out to your coach and ask any questions that you have.
Being a Beachbody coach is the most rewarding job on the planet.
You can start changing people from the inside out and help them start having confidence.
For me to truly shine and be my best self was being a coach.
With Beachbody and coaching, you feel good. Other people are noticing that, and then you have the ability to turn around and help them feel that good.
We have to be willing to share and help others while we're on our own journey.
I gained just a new oomph inside of me where I'm like, you know what, I want to help more.
To be able to just give other people that community and that support and that love and that passion is so fulfilling to me.
You're helping these people and you're seeing people's lives change, and what you're doing every single day makes a difference.
I want to help as many people as possible do this. It's too good to keep secret.
What would the world be like if everyone was living to their full potential, if everyone was following the vision and the purpose that was in their heart?
I just have people on my team that have changed their lives, and to watch that and know that I have played a part in that is so amazing. There's not even words that can describe how cool that is.